Good morning everyone. Welcome again. Today we will start topic cognitive learning in chapter 6. Some psychologists view learning in terms of cognitive processes that underlie it. They have developed approaches that focus on such processes that occur during learning rather than concentrating solely on SR and SS connections, as we have seen in the case of classical and operant conditioning. Thus, in cognitive learning, there is a change in what the learner knows rather than what she or he does. Firstly, we will discuss about cognition. What is cognition? Processing of the information about the environment that is received through senses, that is cognition. Cognitive learning a change in the way information is processed as a result of experience a person or animal has had. That is cognitive learning. Here is about some processes as this form of learning. As I told you, that there is a change in what the learner knows rather than what she or he does. This form of learning shows up in insight learning and latent learning. Latent learning, learning that occurs but is not evident in behavior until later, when conditions for its appearance are favorable. And insight learning, in a typical insight situation, a problem is posed. A period follows during which no apparent progress is made. Then the solution comes suddenly. Simply what has been learned can be applied easily to other similar situations. And imitation learning, a person or animal watches, hears another do or say something, then responds in the same way. That is imitation. So firstly we will discuss insightful learning in detail. Kohler demonstrated this learning. Insight learning is a type of learning or problem solving that happens all of a sudden through understanding the relationship of various parts of a problem rather than through trial and error. Insight learning also involves the I have found it feeling or eureka. Insight learning is also expressed as the awe moment. Insight learning refers to the sudden realization of a solution of a problem. Insight learning is a type of learning or problem solving that happens all of a sudden through understanding the relationship of various parts of a problem rather than through trial and error. Here is about Wolfgang Kohler and his contribution to insightful learning. Wolfgang Kohler was a psychologist who conducted experiments in which insight learning was observed in animal behavior. Here is one question you can see on screen. Can you leave two complete squares only by taking away two sticks from the pattern shown below? Only you have to taking away two sticks from the pattern. So answer is here. This is Kohler experiment involving insightful learning. An experiment was conducted by Kohler to show the occurrence and importance of perceptual organization and insight in learning. Insightful learning. Sultan the chimpanzee. The experiment with chimpanzees that involved solving complex problems. Kohler placed chimpanzee in an enclosed play area where food was kept out of their reach. Tools such as poles and boxes were placed in the enclosure. The chimpanzees rapidly learned how to use a box to stand on or a pole to move the food in their direction. In this experiment, learning did not occur as a result of trial and error and reinforcement, but came about in sudden flashes of insight. The chimpanzee would roam about the enclosure for some time and then suddenly would stand on a box, grab a pole and strike a banana, which was out of normal reach above the enclosure. The chimpanzee exhibited what Kohler called insight learning, the process by which the solution to a problem suddenly becomes clear. In a normal experiment on insight learning, a problem is presented, followed by a period of time when no apparent progress is made, and finally a solution suddenly emerges. In insight learning, sudden solution is a rule. Once the solution has appeared, it can be repeated immediately the next time the problem is confronted. Thus it is clear that what is learned is not a specific set of conditioned association between stimuli and responses, but a cognitive relationship between a means and end. As a result, insight learning can be generalized to other similar problem situation. Yes, it's true. Again, here is experiment that I explain to you. Kohler put the chimpanzee Sultan. Name of the chimpanzee is Sultan inside a cage, and banana was hung from the roof of the cage. A box was placed inside the cage. Chimpanzee tried to reach at the banana by jumping but could not succeed. Suddenly he got an idea and used the box as a jumping platform by placing it just below the hanging banana. Then, in other experiment, Kohler made this problem more difficult. Now it required 2 or 3 boxes to reach the bananas. Moreover, the placing of one box on the other required different specific arrangement. In a more complicated experiment, banana was placed outside the cage of the chimpanzee. 2 sticks, one larger than the other, were placed inside the cage. One was hollow at one end so that other stick could be thrust into it to form a longer stick. The banana was so kept that it could not be picked up by any one of the stick. Here you can see the picture. 2 sticks. So the situation as a whole is perceived by the learner. The learner tries to judge the relationship between various factors involved in situation. As a result, the learner is helped in sudden grasping of solution of the problem. This is insight learning proposed by demonstrated by Kohler. Next time we will discuss latent learning. Thank you.